everybody, welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. I'm Rebel, and today I'm so excited. I've been literally looking forward to today for so long. I can't believe it. I finally got my hands on a pair of the Impala, the Marawa skates, the high heel skates. Ah! So anyways, I'm freaking out, so get stoked. Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. Today we're gonna unbox and we're gonna try them for the first time and see our first impression. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating. So if you like roller skating, or if you think you like roller skating or want to start roller skating, you should definitely click subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when I post, which is every week. Usually on Tuesdays, but sometimes on Wednesdays. You should also head on over to cheerstothequeers.com because that's a spot where I sell a bunch of cool stuff like roller skate accessories or regular accessories. And you can support this channel and you can support me and my little business. Without further ado, let's get into the video. You aren't ready because you want to know why? Because I'm also not ready. I've been wanting these desperately since I heard they were coming out. I've been so excited. When I tell you that I have watched Marawa perform and like skate on her high-heeled skates, and I've just always thought that was so impressive, and I've always wanted to be one of those people who could do it. It's been a dream of mine for I don't know how long. So when I tell you that it has been so hard waiting until I was wearing makeup and sitting in front of a camera to open these skates, it was so difficult. So without further ado, let's do it. I wasn't sure what size to order in these because they're slightly different. They're like boots with heels, and I didn't want to order anything too small, and I know that they run a bit narrow. So I ordered a size 9. And I am typically a ladies size 9 when I'm wearing shoes, regular shoes. So I figured that would be a good choice. I know some people that have sized up because they have wider feet. So I don't know. We're going to see if these fit. I'm really, really hoping that they fit. And here we go. Ah! So these are amazing. I should probably show you, huh? Okay, let me change this camera angle. Welcome to right underneath my couch slash it's the coffee table, but this is the best angle I could come up with. So this is the inside of the box. So we've got a couple of little things that have a lot of information. It talks about the heel itself. It talks about the laces, the wheels and the kingpin, how it's a vinyl boot, and yeah, that we should stretch. And then it has the extended wear. Okay, whatever. Yo! Look at these. They're so pretty. Okay, I don't know if this is coming across in the video because it's like sunset when I'm recording this, but these are very, very glittery. Like very glittery. I think you can see it. Whoa, I just bit my lip. Okay, they're super glittery. I like that they're lace up. Okay, check it out. They're lace up, but then there's also this zipper right here. So you can zip on and off, which we love. Okay, not only is the boot super glittery, but also the plate and the wheels are all so glittery. And look at this chunky heel. Oh my God. Oh, did you know that these are light up wheels? Oh my goodness, they're light up wheels. I did not know that. Okay, it has a bolt-on toe stop. It has, looks like pretty standard kingpin cushions, etc. I don't know what this plate is made out of, but it feels like just like some sort of metal. It feels pretty heavy duty. And the heel feels pretty heavy duty as well. I don't really, so I'll be honest, I am not an expert when it comes to heeled skates because I've never even tried them before. So these are all just assumptions I'm making based off of my very limited experience. Okay, well, this is what comes in the box. The box itself is like very orange and beautiful. So I think we should try them on. Yes? Okay, let's do it. Oh my gosh, please fit, please fit, please fit. Oh, the insides are so cute too. Okay, so you can see that there's glitter in the toe stop. This is a bolt-on toe stop. And then you can see that there's glitter in the wheels. And then you can see when I do that they're a light up wheel. And then I don't know if you can tell, but this plate also has glitter in it. We've got a clearly very glittery, beautiful boot. And it's shining off the heel too. Oh my gosh, even the laces get a little sparkle shimmer in them. I could eat them, I'm so excited. Okay, I will say this is it's very stiff. But I also imagine that you want it to be very stiff because you're skating on heels. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of stuff in here, so you have these skates, make sure you take the stuff out of the toe. If there's anything that I've learned from years and years and years of doing YouTube and skating and stuff, it's that always check the toe because you never know, there might be stuff in it. Okay, I'm gonna try these on. I should probably go put on socks, right? Yes, I'm gonna go put on socks. So I'm one of those people who really wants to make their own skates and have like heeled skates, but I figured that it might be the right choice to try these out first and see if I can do it. See if it's like doable for me and then make my own skates, or if these are awesome, just use these and then not worry about having to make my own skates at all, which would also be amazing. All right, I got some socks from Cheers to the Queers. Yes, Cheers to the Queers has a crap ton of socks, like these cute ones. Look at, they're like neon skull art craziness. Here we go. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What am I doing? They are an exact fit and they're a little tight, but they are an exact fit. I don't know if you want these to be loose or tight or not. This is really just an experiment, just exploring and learning with you. So if you know any information that I don't, please let me know down in the comments below. I recommend definitely sizing up. I'm so glad that I did not get a 8, which I would usually get. I don't know how you would skate in these. These feel like a very, very tight heel. I have no idea how to skate in these, so let's try it. Is this a bad idea? I don't know. I don't know if this is a bad idea or not, but we're gonna do it anyways. I feel like this is a bad idea. The different type of skating, y'all. I feel like a new skater. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. We're just gonna try and get used to skating again. This is fine. Oh my god. This is terrible. So weird. Okay, it's very weird. Chloe, please stop talking. Woo! Okay. Okay. I think this is gonna take a while. This is definitely not something that I'm going to learn in one sitting. You definitely feel like super forward over your feet. Like it feels like I'm already on my toe stops, but I'm not. I'm just on my skates already. The balance is so different. Oh god, oh god, oh god. mean, it's easier to go into a ball, but I also feel like it's pressing a lot on this. Like, they're very structured, and I would definitely say that the narrow, like the front of the boot is super narrow. So it's definitely like pressing against the sides of my toes really crazy, and that hurts. And I thought that sizing up would stop that from happening, but it didn't. So yeah, so size up more than you think you need to size up. I would have gone maybe one more size up. Like, yeah. Okay, so I just got finished skating in these bad boys, and the one thing that I definitely learned was that this is gonna take more than one short little stint skating to learn how to skate in heels. But I also feel like it was exhilarating, and like I really wanna try it again, like right now, even though my feet hurt, so not right now, but like tomorrow. It felt to me like I was skating, like I was walking on my toe stops the whole time. So it definitely was the first skate I've ever tried where I literally felt like, oh my God, I actually don't know how to skate. I would even say that skating in blades at first was easier than this. So yeah, I definitely want to try again. I definitely need to try again. If you're gonna get these skates, I really, really like them. They are very stiff. I feel like that provides support, but I also feel like the front is a little narrow, so size up. I think I would have gone with a 10. Like, I would maybe go a size above your standard street shoe size. I think that they're super cute. I think it's totally a vibe, and I can't wait to report back on my progress. And yeah, so if you want to try something new, this is definitely something I would recommend to someone who is not a beginner, who knows how to roller skate already, and I would definitely recommend, unlike I did today, next time I'm gonna push it harder and I'm gonna wear gear so that I feel safe. I wasn't expecting to feel unsafe. So, and the skates itself didn't make me feel unsafe, just the style of skating is totally different than I'm used to. So yeah, so that's my overall first impressions of the Marawa Impala orange sparkly heeled roller skates. Do you have them? Have you tried them? What do you think? Do you want to see more of my roller skating journey on these bad boys? I think I might try and stretch them out a little bit at the top here, so that they'll be a little bit more comfortable for me next time. And I'm favorite feature 100% is this zip up, because they are hard to put on and off. Definitely hard to take on and off, but worth it. Impala high-heeled roller skates. Do I think beginners should wear them? Probably not. Do I think if you're a person who wants to learn how to high-heel roller skate, you should try them? Absolutely. Do I think it's so great that there is a accessible entry-level high-heel skate? Yes. Do I think that people are going to think that these are going to be easy and then they won't be? Absolutely. Do I think that they're dangerous? Also, absolutely. Will I still wear them and totally stoked about them? Absolutely. So my review is, wow. I'm sorry, I don't really have a metric. I've never tried high-heeled skates before, so I don't have any metric to measure them up against. But thank you so much for watching this. I hope that you have a wonderful day and that you roller skate and do all the things that your heart desires today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to support me, head on over to my shop, cheerstothequeers.com, and buy something cute for yourself or your friends, your loved ones. And most importantly, cheers to the queers!